Hi guys, Corey. Darn it all, Corey. Yeah, it got hot today at work. Messed up my head. Yeah, that's what I did. I still got a tuft. uh, anyway, I just wanted to let you know before I start this video. If you see or hear anything in this video, please comment down below. I'd appreciate it a lot. I don't have a lot of equipment or anything, and I probably missed a lot. I get so nervous, and I'm a chicken a little bit, but you know, I mean, there was some things I experienced with the flashlight, and you'll see. Anyway, comment down below. uh, you know, just trying to be my own kind of beautiful. Darn it all, be your own kind of beautiful. I'll see you in the video. Peace. Hi guys, I'm Corey here. Darn it all, Corey. I got everybody with me. Justin, Isaiah, and Shannon. So, yep. Family of Darn It Alls. And we're doing this adventure. We're doing this adventure here at this abandoned hog farm. See if I can show you here.
Just tunnel, going and stuff.
So, we got the house here. On the other side of this tree is a barn, another shack, and another thing there. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start this adventure. So, and you know me, I gotta have the screen facing me. So this is where I'm gonna flip the camera. Alright, I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright, so I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna go in this first. So, got some abandoned buildings here. Like I said, we got the house, there's a barn, another shack, and this I think was a hog pen, and we're just checking it out. It's abandoned, obviously. Bats. I just seen a bat. So we're actually gonna, the roof is collapsing in here, but we're gonna enter. I'm actually gonna take my time here.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
I just
get my light. Okay.
mine beats yours.
We got some pallets. And looks like Zone Light attic insulation.
A bucket.
Bucket. I kicked a bucket. And it looks like there were some feed buckets.
Oh, I think that's a sale.
I hope that's Isaiah, or I'm running. Ooh, there's a bat. Oh no, that's a barn sparrow. Okay. Alright, and comes over here. Here's an old desk.
Oh, that's a
An old desk. I'll bet you that was a... My light keeps shutting off. Weird.
Mine isn't, at least.
Yeah.
Looks like there used to be a window there.
Yeah. Yeah, my light keeps shutting off.
You want mine?
This wall is coming down on me.
Yeah, so is this one over here? Could be the batteries.
I just changed them.
Huh. Yeah.
Fucking weird. Dude.
What?
What?
Yeah.
I think I am possessed.
The light, your light is still doing it.
So you can see what's over there.
Well,
It goes out to the open, but it does go back quite a ways. But I think there is some feed stuff.
yeah, I'm gone.
What's wrong?
No, I heard when I was leaning over,
Yeah.
I heard in my left ear, like a
Really?
yeah.
Is there anybody here? You could talk into my camera. Okay. We're gonna go to the next building.
That was a little creepy.
Yeah. Ooh, that bird almost flew right into my head. So, this is still the same building. Quite a bit of ransacked stuff.
It might be the light bulb too.
It might be. But now we'll go over here.
Try getting to the light bulb over there.
Oop. Is that a gunshot? This was probably an old garage. I'll let you see what's in there first.
You need light?
My cell phone's doing okay right now.
Alright.
A lot of garbage in here, but it's an old toolbox, old ski boot.
Old jacket over there.
Yeah. Old jacket hanging up there. Look at that
Oh, that?
old cabinet desk over there. Okay. Old tackle boxes. I don't know about making it to the barn, but careful on your light, hon. Careful on your light when the traffic's coming by. So I think we might be able to just walk right across here. Should we do the barn first or the house?
Well, if you go into the house, I'm not gonna go in with you.
Yeah?
So I'll give her there my flashlight.
Go check and check the barn.
Oh, that's doing it. Yeah. Oh, well. The barn, okay.
Why won't you go in the house?
Huh?
So why won't you go in the house?
Because it took me forever to get out of it.
Oh yeah, why?
I actually think there was a fire in there,
Maybe.
but come over here. Check out the barn for a minute. Hello. Hope there's nothing in there. I don't want to be attacked by anything.
Yeah, you can have my light, Corey.
Should I go in? This was on fire too.
I'm gonna head back to mommy.
Okay. Yeah, this was on fire too. Almost looks like. Oh, this was an outhouse. That's an old toilet. Look at that toilet. I'm just making sure we're not at drug dealer's plantation. This totally collapsed in on itself. So yeah, I'm not going to go in this building. But this is what's left standing right here. I don't know what's up there. There doesn't look like there's any access point. Oh yeah, there is right over there, but I'm not going in there to find out. So now we'll go and check out the house. It's a pretty cool exploration. I don't know if this place is haunted exactly. I didn't even know about this place. It's just something that we ran into. My brother kind of told us about it, but when we looked online for any information, it came up that it's was a hog farm, but there's two different stories. Careful for the buckets here. So now we're gonna go up in here. Isaiah, there's nails right here and right there. Alright. And I step on the board, it's less noisy. And this is what we have here, a whole bunch of mess. Look at it, I mean they still got canned goods and stuff here. This is crazy. So, this is where it stinks really bad. Hello? Okay. So that's the stairway going up. There's the smashed TV.
Hey Corey, Pico. Okay, I got a picture.
Should we go up?
That's up to you.
Let me try. Oh my god. This is scary. Hello? Hello? Oh my god. It scared the shit out of me, but that was me.
This is as far as I go, Corey.
Okay.
Because you're way lighter than me.
Yep. Okay. We searched everything up here, and this is terrible. That goes right down to the first floor.
Yeah.
This is crazy. I don't want to go back to that crawl space.
Yeah, I would prefer you not.
Yeah. I can't believe they left all this stuff, though. But, okay.
These stairs.
Yeah. Look, oh, God, yeah. Definitely should. Look at all the mold.
Oh, perfect.
So now, so that was the upstairs. That's the living room front porch window. Yep. And I'm going to show you this other room over here before I head out. Oh, I bet you this is where the fire started. Hello? Somebody went through the floor there. Somebody went through the wall there. Fireplace. Old dressers, cabinets. Doesn't look like anybody's trying to fix anything either. So what do you think about this place? Should I do an overnight challenge here? I don't know. I'd be a little creeped out myself. Okay.
Careful.
Alright, folks. I pretty much scoped out the whole place. Now the rest is up to you on doing a overnight challenge or investigating more. I'll bring recorders for EVPs and things like that, but for right now, that's what we got. That's what we showed you, and we're going to go ahead and conclude this right here. So let me just stop this so I could say goodbye face to face. Alright guys, so here we are. Shannon, you want to shine the light at me?
No, I'm
That way it's not in my eyes.
coming out of the
So,
doorway at kind of the top of it.
Anyway, there's a bunch of buildings here we can do overnight challenges in. The barn though, that's pretty sketchy. It's all collapsed in on itself. And it doesn't, just that one room, it doesn't show the loft or access to it. So, but we showed you the house upstairs, the 3 barns.
Can I see my flashlight?
But in any case,
Oh.
I'm Corey, and it's Justin, Isaiah, and Shannon, all right there. And we're just being our own kind of beautiful. And darn it all, you be your own kind of beautiful. Now remember, you got to comment down below. Let me know. 3 a.m. challenge, overnight challenge, no Ouija boards. And I love you. Thank you for your support. And we'll talk to you later. Like I said, darn it all, be your own kind of beautiful. I love you. Peace.